Most likely questions I would like to discuss a few. Yesterday I taught you about the tangents. Suppose there is a circle and they are given external point P. Point P, they are given like this. I will read the sum. AP is given as 24 and OP is given as 25, then the radius OA is asked. So this is A, O. AP, find the figure, AP is given as 24 and OP is given as 25. So this is 90 degrees by RHS property to OA square plus AP square. We want OA square, round up, shift this to side, that's all. So OA square is equal to, OP is how much? 25 square minus 24 square. That comes up to 625 minus 576. So you go to the working column and you get the answer. Find the value of K for this equation. I think yesterday I have done for this for all. Find the value of K. You can see the problem. Find the value of K. Find the value of K which for the equation x square minus 4x plus k is equal to 0, which has equal roots. So here x square minus 4x plus k is the equation given, and at telling the roots are equal. Therefore, delta value is equal to 0. So now what is delta? B square minus 4ac. This should be equal to 0. Put the values. Here a is equal to plus 1, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to a. Then just put the values. Now b is minus 4 the whole square. Then here minus 4 into plus 1 into k is equal to 0. So this is 16. Plus into plus plus into minus minus. Here 4k is equal to 0. 4k is equal to, shift this here, change the sign. So k is equal to 16 by 4, that is 4. So the value of k is 4. And then the next one, find the mode for the following data. See the question is here. Find the mode for the following data. See the number 3 is repeated many times. Therefore the mode is 3. Volume of the frustum is 1 by 3 pi h into r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 into r2. Now if tan 3 into tan theta is equal to 1, find sin theta. 3 tan theta is equal to 1, tan theta is equal to 1 by 3. Draw the, write the table for the trigonometry and then get the value, and the answer comes up to 1 by 10. I am holding this, just see for 2 minutes. Now, the diameter of the semicircle field is 14. Circle is here. AB is a diameter. Because the AB is a diameter, this radius is 7 centimeters. Then this perimeter is dash. Perimeter is equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi r, 2 is 22 by 7 into 7. Cancel it. The answer comes up to 44 meters. So r is equal to, perimeter is equal to 44 meters. Now is the important one. Find the HCF of 52 and 182 by Euclid's division lemma. Euclid's division lemma, A is equal to BQ plus R. Here this is HCF of 182 and 52. How to do? I don't know. 182 divided by 52. So you just divide as usual. Go to working column. 52 into 1, 52. 52 into 2. 2 2s are 4. Here 10. So this is more than this one. No. 52 into 3. 6. 5 3s are 15. 186. 52 into 4. 4 2s are 8. And here 5 4s are 20. Now which you are going to select from this? So I think 52 into 3. So here 52 into 3, it comes up to 156. Borrow from here 6. 7 minus 5, 2. Now you take these two. So that is 52 divided by 26. So this is 26 and 52. 26 twos are 52. The remainder comes 0. So the moment you get the remainder 0, this number you block it and write it as HCF. So now, depending upon this, there is one more equation. Now see the numbers. A is given as 182, B is given as 52, HCF is given as 26 if I are asked to find out L. For this type, there is a relation A into B is equal to H into L. Now A is given as 182 into 52 is equal to 26 into L. Round up, let this come down. So L is equal to 182 into 52 by 26. Here 2's are, and it goes on. This is the way. Now, one more important thing is, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, so much, then find the value of alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. Or they can ask you x square plus 7x plus 12. Suppose the sum is given like this, find out alpha plus beta, that is sum of the rows. Alpha beta is the product of the rows. Take any equation. Find the sum and product for the product of what? Product of the roots for the following equation. You can take any equation. 6x square plus 5x plus 11 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. Alpha and beta are the two roots which we have learned from 8th standard. The formula for this is minus b by a, and product alpha beta is equal to c by a. Now from where should you get a, b and c value? For that you see the equation. So a is equal to plus 6, b is equal to plus 5, c is equal to plus 11. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus of plus 5 by a. A is given as plus 6. This is 5 by 6. Alpha beta is equal to c by a. C is given as plus 11 and a is given as plus 6. So this is the way you do the sum. Now the next equation, find the nature of the quadratic equation. Find the nature of the quadratic equation. If you come across the word nature, this one nature, what is the formula? Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. If the equation is like this, a square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, in this equation, in this formula, delta value is b square minus 4ac. Okay.